Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. You like it?
Really? Really seasoning and salty. I can feel a bunch of meat.
Let's tilt the there. Oh no, my challenge. My challenge to wear it.
Mama, even it's so flavory.
Is this seasoned?
Mommy, my sandwich is so fine. No, not that one. Like this. Mommy, my sandwich is dead. No.
Mama, you rock.
Julia, I did wear my glasses.
Want some more caramelized onions?
That'll make it even more yummy.
Great cut.
Liked it. I liked it, Mommy. Let's do it upside down. You do.
I tried the egg. It's so yummy. It tastes like rainbow.
It tastes like poo-poo.
I love you.
I say like poo-poo. It tastes like tutu.
Oh, don't say that to Mommy's food.
Athena, did you hear your sister? Don't say that about mommy's food. Are you sorry? You're not sorry.
So funny.
Yeah, eat the egg. Only egg.
Mama, I'm going to try the meat you made. I hope it's really yummy.
It is. One bite for you.